Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go over how to draw a circle and the different options and ways to get a circle onto the drawing. So stay tuned and let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do to draw a circle is we're going to go to the left hand side right near the polyline and line, and we are going to left click on the circle. So right here, the circle button, this bit right here is going to be the default and how you want to create a circle. Underneath the circle itself, you'll have this drop down list right here, and this will show you how you want to create the circle. So if you want to go from center radius, center diameter, you got a 2-point, 3-point, tan radius, tan. So we're going to start by just having the default, which is the center radius, and right here we are going to start our circle. So the first thing you're going to do is specify your start point, and the start point is the center point with the radius. So we've got right here, and we're going to do we'll call it 30-foot radius right here. There you go. Your circle's made. The next way you can make a circle is by doing the center for diameter instead. So right here, we'll do it right next to it. We'll go diameter, and we'll call it 30 again, 30 feet. And as you can see, it's a little bit smaller because the 30 is right here to here, and the 30 is the radius here. So this is diameter, this is the radius. Alright, so the next options we have here for creating a circle come in the form of the 2-point and 3-point contact points for the circle. So to make these circles, we're going to go back up to the drop-down circle button right here. And the first option is the 2-point, so right here. Now this option allows me to find 2 points and have the circle, the outer layer of the circle touch both points. So I've got a shape here, but before we put it in the shape, I just want to show you what it does quickly. We're going to left click right here, and then it's going to bring me down to my second point. And as you can see, it created the circle. So we're going to erase that. Here we can also create 2 points based on size. So for example, we want it to be 50 feet. We're going to bring it down, press enter, and it's going to be 50 foot. But in this case, I'd rather use the diameter versus the point to point. The point to point makes sense when you want to fit it into an already existing shape. So we're going to put this one into an already existing shape right here. We're going to start the first point there, and we're going to put the second point there. Now, as you can see, there's a little bit of a gap because it's not perfectly placed within 3 points of contact. So for 3 points of contact and to get it in that shape perfectly, we are going to use the 3-point circle tool. So right here, we've got 3 points, 1, 2, and then left click for the third point anywhere along this arc. And there you go, the circle fits perfectly into that other shape with the 3-point contact tool. Alright, so the last way to make a circle, and there are 2 options here, are the tan radius and the tan. So basically what these 2 options allow you to do is the first one's going to allow you to create a circle with 2 tangent points and adjust the radius, and the other one's just going to allow you to create a circle tangent to 3 points. So for the first one, you're going to have tan radius. We're going to go to our drop down list, click that, and then we have our right angle here, and this point and this point, these 2 lines, are the 2 lines that we want tangent. And then we're going to define our radius. So for example, we're going to left click. It doesn't really matter where. You're just going to left click here and left click here to identify the 2 lines. And then it's going to give you an option for a radius. So for the radius, let's just do 20 feet. And right there, it gives us the radius. So let's do that again, but a different radius. And tan radius right there. Again, same 2 points on this right angle, and then this time we're going to do the radius of 100. All of a sudden it's bigger. Now for the tan, it does not give you an option for the size of the radius because you're tangent to 3 objects, so it'll create the circle for you based on those 3 points of contact or objects. So for that one, go to the drop-down list, left click tan, and then we're going to identify the 3 points. So right here we have this point, and then we're going to come up to this line too. And all of a sudden, it gives you that tangent circle to all 3 points. So this is the last option for building a circle, but there's quite a few options you have in terms of how you want to define the circle and how you can get it to fit into your drawing. Alright, so that's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope this was informative, and if you learned something, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if I missed anything or there's better ways to do it, obviously comment below. But past that, I hope everyone has a good rest of their day.